Tutor! Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start. I have a new friend. Again. I have a new friend. Your turn to read, children. I like my new shoes. Again. I like my new shoes. Your turn to read, children. I have a new bag. Again. I have a new bag. Your turn to read, children. My new bag has a tag. Again. My new bag has a tag. Your turn to read, children. My new friend is kind. Again. My new friend is kind. Your turn to read, children. My pet likes to drink milk. Again. My pet likes to drink milk. Your turn to read, children. I will feed my pet fish. Again. I will feed my pet fish. Your turn to read, children. I like to eat an apple. Again. I like to eat an apple. Your turn to read, children. I will read my book. Again. I will read my book. Your turn to read, children. I will clean my room. Again. I will clean my room. Your turn to read, children. We will go to the party. Again. We will go to the party. Your turn to read, children. I will drink juice. Again. I will drink juice. Your turn to read, children. We want to play games. Again. We want to play games. Your turn to read, children. We want to eat cake. Again. We want to eat cake. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read together. Are you ready? Let's start. I have a new friend. I like my new shoes. I have a new bag. My new bag has a tag. My new friend is kind. My pet likes to drink milk. I will feed my pet fish. I like to eat an apple. I will read my book. I will clean my room. We will go to the party. I will drink juice. We want to play games. We want to eat cake. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lesson. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.